In our magical kingdom of the body, brave messenger wizards aren't the only inhabitants. There are also diligent cellular artisans. These artisans have an incredibly important task, ensuring the messages carried by our motor neurons reach the muscles fully intact and crystal clear. But why do some letters arrive damaged or get lost altogether? It's all because of a special magic wand called SMN1, which normally ensures messages are complete and clear. Unfortunately, in SMA, this magic wand is either damaged or missing entirely. Substitute wands named SMN2 attempt to help, but they aren't as powerful and occasionally omit essential parts, leaving messages incomplete or unclear. The tireless cellular artisans immediately respond to this issue. Unwavering in their efforts, they strive to rescue the lost or damaged letters. With tiny tools and magical remedies, they mend holes, insert missing words, and repair torn sections of letters. They build new roads and uncover secret pathways to ensure messages still reach their destinations on time. Every day, new letters arrive from the brain, bringing fresh challenges for the artisans. Some letters arrive in very poor condition and others vanish entirely. Nevertheless, these diligent workers never give up. They collaborate closely, constantly sharing knowledge and experiences to improve their skills for future challenges. The routes these letters must travel are intricate and winding, much like a vast labyrinth. Occasionally sudden obstacles appear, collapsed bridges or blocked tunnels. The artisans quickly spring into action, overcoming these barriers by digging new tunnels, erecting sturdy bridges, and devising creative solutions to prevent the loss of any message. Despite their valiant efforts, not every letter can be fully saved. Some messages only partially reach their destinations or arrive late. Still, the artisans understand that even incomplete letters are valuable. Every small piece of information can help muscles grow stronger and enable movement. In our kingdom, there's a magical library older than any living inhabitant. It houses precious books that tell our stories and pass down secrets through generations. One special book contains the family spell that determines whether someone might be affected by SMA. This mystical family spell is represented by two crucial pages within each family's book, the SMN1 pages. In healthy family books, both pages are clear and complete, allowing messenger wizards and cellular artisans to perform their duties effortlessly. However, sometimes one page becomes damaged or is missing entirely. People with one damaged page are known as carriers of the spell. They usually remain healthy but carry the potential to pass on the spell. If two carriers have a child together, there's a chance the child could inherit SMA by receiving a damaged page from each parent. Alternatively, the child might inherit only one damaged page, becoming a carrier themselves, or might even receive two healthy pages, thus not carrying the spell at all. But what if one parent has SMA and the other parent is completely healthy? In this case, the child always receives a damaged page from the affected parent and a healthy page from the healthy parent, becoming a carrier without developing SMA. There's another significant scenario. If one parent has SMA and the other parent is a carrier, there's a high chance the child will either develop SMA or become a carrier. In these families, the mystical family spell is more visibly present, prompting the beings in the magical library to carefully safeguard these family books and help the families understand their spell. Gene wizards, small beings wearing long robes with wise eyes, inhabit this magical library. They know every family book intimately. They assist the kingdom's inhabitants in understanding the mystical family spell, patiently explaining the meaning of damaged pages. The gene wizards always emphasize that nobody is to blame for carrying this spell. It is simply part of the magical diversity that makes life extraordinary. They counsel families, address their concerns, and support them in making courageous and informed decisions. Their guidance offers families security, courage, and hope. The gene wizards remind us all that we are unique, each contributing significantly, regardless of whether our family book is complete or damaged. The story of the mystical family spell teaches us the importance of openness and knowledge. The more we understand our own magical heritage, the better equipped we are to shape our lives and tackle challenges. As the wizards often say, knowledge grants us power, and power provides us the strength to determine our own lives. Let's embrace this lesson together, finding the courage to speak openly about our family spells and learn from one another. Our differences are not weaknesses, they bring us closer together, helping us grow collectively. The mystical family spell connects us all, highlighting how community and understanding empower us to overcome any challenge. Welcome to Enchanted Elements, where the wonders of anatomy blend seamlessly with the magic that breathes life into our world. Join us as we journey through the mystical kingdom within our bodies, revealing the secrets and marvels that make us extraordinary. Prepare to be enchanted.